Hi creators, if you are brand new to video editing or looking for an easier tool to create awesome content, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Wondershare Filmora 30 step by step from importing your footage to exporting a finished video. In this video, you will learn how to cut, trim and arrange clips and add text, music and transitions. Also, you will learn use cool AI feature in Filmora 30, even an export in high quality for YouTube or social media. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So our first step is to set up and import media. So first of all, we are going to download and install Filmora 30 from this link. The link is filmora.wondershare.net. When you visit that place, you will get this kind of interface. As you can see it, I'm getting this like here. You just need to click on try it free. Once you click over here, then your Filmora will be downloaded on your computer. Now you just need to click on double tap and it will be installed perfectly on your computer. So it is available in Windows, then Mac OS, then iOS, then Android, also iPad. So you have variety to use on your platform. So here you can see we already installed our Wondershare. So from that place, you just need to be open the app and click on new project. Once you click over here, then it will give you this one. So here, as you can see, Wondershare 14 is available and they are telling us to the update. So I will leave it right now for the work. So here is the Wondershare Filmora, and here we are now able to import our clips. So you just need to click on import media. Once you click over here, now eventually you can import. Just select your files to import it. Let's go and let's find out any clips I downloaded in here. So I think this one will be good, so I will import it here. Then you just need to drag, like you can drag and drop files directly into the media bin. It is another way to import your media on Wondershare. Let me give you a tip, like always organize your files like videos, music, b-roll into folders before importing. Drag your main video into the timeline for being edited here. So before that, I am going to import it, or you could see that there is a folder option. So I am going to import it into the timeline. Here you can see it is just a drag and drop option. So I import it, and here you can see that we get a pop-up message. The resolution or frame rate of this media does not match the setting of this project. Do you want to change the project setting to the match media? Yeah, definitely. Let's match it, and now eventually you can see that the project has been matched. So here let's go and talk about step 2, that is basic editing, that will be like trim, cut and split. So now that your clip is on the timeline, as you can see it, here's what you could do it. So here I am going to trim it. Now how I could trim it? So hover over the start or end of a clip and drag to the shorten. This is the trim option. So here you can see, you just need to be hover it, and here you can see our video is trimming. You just focus on these options. Here you can see that we are going to trim it, and trim has been done. Let's run the video, and here you can see video size has been become reduced. So if you want to split the clip, how you could do it? So you just need to move the playhead to a cut point. So here I want to split the video from that place. So this is the place I placed my playhead here, and you just need to click the scissor icon. Here you can see this is the scissor icon. You just need to click over here, and eventually you can see our video has become slipted, and here you can see it. If I move it, here you can see we have 2 files over that place. Here you can check this out. So this is the really simplest one. So next we are going to talk about the delete. Like if you want to delete any clip or any part from the clip, how you could do it? You just need to select the part. Like I am going to delete this trim part. So how I could do it? I just need to select this part. Once I select it, you just need to press delete from your keyboard, or you could go to this toolbar into the top. Here we have these options. called delete. You just need to click on here and your clip has been deleted perfectly, like you remove this. So here in the top toolbar you have couple of things, like this is the split one, this is the quick text option, this is the drawing tools, then here we have these under tools and many more, as you can see it. So let me give you a tip on this section, that will be use repel delete to close gaps automatically after deleting. So what is repel? So here you can see that disable link, then we have disable typing slap and disable magnificent. So here we have an option called repel delete. So you just need to be explore it. So here you can see this enable auto repel. You just need to be enable it to remove your gaps automatically. Zoom in on the timeline to fine tune your edits. So let's go ahead and talk about step 3, that is add text, titles and lower thirds. So you just need to go to the titles tabs on the top. I already told you this one, just click on, and here you just need to browse the categories like openers, lower thirds or end screen. You just need to click on quick text, or you can go with this one. Here you can see we have this one title. You just need to drag it drop here. Let's drag it drop here and let's paste it here, and you can see that our title has been placed. So here you just need to double click on the title to edit it, like customize the text or font animations. When you click on, you will get the options to edit it. Just click over here, and I am going to add one subscribe. And here you can see, if you want to place it somewhere in the video, you could do it. You can increase, decrease the size, then you can do other animations here. Like here you can see we have this animation options. If you click on fade in, it will be fade. If you remove it, just double click, then go to do basic edit. So here you can see we have this basic edit options. So you have these options to change it. If you want to change the text from that place, in the right corner you have great options to change it. So here you can see it, then you can explore it if you want to know further more. So I will leave this way right now. So next, let me give you a tip on this section, that will be add a lower third at the start of your video to introduce yourself or the topic. Use your brand font and colors for consistency if you are a content creator. So next we are going to talk about music, sound effect and voiceover. So if you want to add music, you are allowed to add it. Just click on audio. So here you just need to click on go to audio tab. Here you can see in the media, then you are allowed to import your audio. Like you can go with this one also, this options. You can generate AI sound effects using this one. If you can choose this music from this one, just play it. I think this one cool, so I will place it here, and it will take a while to downloading, and then I will split it. Okay, let's split it. As you can see it, we are now good to go, and I will take half from the keyword. So I will click on delete, and it has been deleted. Now let's play the video, and as you can see our video has been added, like our audio already been added to our timeline, and it already associated with our clip. So this way you can use soundtrack, you can use voiceover. This is the simplest one. Let me give you a tip on this section, that is lower the background music when talking you. So next we are going to talk about the transition effect and AI tools. So here in the top bar you have this transition option, where you can see we have couple of transition. So you could choose all of them if you want. Here we have couple of other, so you just need to be explore it. So I'm going to drag it drop here, and I add our transitions, and now if I see that our transition, as you can see it, so here you can see if you want to reduce the sound, you could reduce it. Let's do it. Now you can see that our transition is working perfectly. So this way you are allowed to use this transition, and all are drag and drop options. So I hope you understand. If you want to select any random element, you just select, and in the right corner you will see the changes over here. Now you can change whatever you want, like let's select this one, and here you can see it. Then we are going to talk about Filmora 13 AI tools. So we have the AI here. So here if I click on the audio, and you can see that AI music options, now you can generate your AI tools. Then you have AI smart cutout, that is remove backgrounds without a green screens. Then we have AI add audio stretch, that match music to video length. Then we have AI silence detections, like remove awkward silence in one click. So don't overrush transition, keep it clean and professional. This will be my tips in these sections. So now I will export and save the video. How I could it? You just need to click on export button. Here you can see in the top toolbar in the right corner you have this export options. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, you just need to create an account, or you don't, sometimes it don't ask for the account. Let's go and let's try to click on this, and here you just need to click create video. So you just need to be log into your account, then you will get the option to choose your setting. Always make your format mp4, it is recommended for YouTube, that's why I suggest you. And then you just need to be click on export. Filmora will render the video. So I hope you understand how easy the process was, and that's it. Let's wrap up the video here. I hope you loved this video. If you think this video was really helpful and you learned so much things from this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with a new amazing topic.